thumb toss, first you have to be able to do a thumb roll. So you're gonna start with your hand straight out like this, like how you start a hand pass. You're gonna flip it over, make a thumbs up when you flip it. So when you flip it, you have that thumbs up, and you're just gonna let it fall right onto the ground off that thumb. So make sure it hits on your thumb before it falls down, and you should end with a thumbs up. So practice that a couple times, and make sure it hits this part of your thumb right here, so the outside of your thumb. Once you have that thumb roll good and it's hitting off this side of your thumb before it goes on the ground, you're gonna try a thumb toss. So how you do that, you start the same way, and just like your thumb roll, you let it roll until it gets to the outside of that thumb. When it gets there, you're gonna push your hands up. Like if you think about that thumbs up going straight up your nose, you're gonna push straight up and pop it up. So make sure it hits the outside of your thumb. So you want to let it go right by your belly button, and think about pushing that thumb up your nose. Again, ending with that thumbs up before you catch. Another thing with the catch with this one, again, you want to keep your hand open and let the baton fall into your hand. You don't want to reach up for it because it's going to be too late. So push up your nose, let it fall into your hand.